Caucasian man driving through the land seems to think that he can break whatever's in his hand. Eagle soaring homeward bound in the fading light, she gives a cry of timelessness as the fires burn so bright. But makes no sound. Uluru makes no sound. Greenest grass on the tourist camping ground. See the Anangu man, his head down in his hand, searching through the dream time. He tries to understand, but Uluru makes no sound. No sound. Uluru makes no sound. Uluru makes no sound. Uluru makes no sound. Sound.